Deep beneath the ocean's surface, one of the nature's most fascinating processes unfold how baby whales known as calves drink milk without ever coming to the surface. This incredible feat of biology is testament to the evolution's power, which allow these magnificent marine mammals to thrive in the environment vastly different from their terrestrial ancestors. Unlike land mammals, whales are fully adapted to life in water, yet they are still mammals. This means they breathe air, give birth to live youngs, and most importantly, feed their babies with milk. But how does this work underwater, where the very act of suckling could lead to the ingesting vast amount of seawater? Let's explore this extraordinary natural phenomenon in intricate detail, uncovering the unique adaptations that make it possible. When a whale calf is born, it enters a completely aquatic world, often in warm, protected waters. From the very first moment, it must learn to swim, hold its breath, and stay incredibly close to its mother. This bond between mother and calf is exceptionally strong, forged by necessity and instinct, especially during critical period of feeding. The calf depends entirely on its mother's milk for nourishment, rapid growth, and ultimately survival in the challenging early months of its life. This initial period is crucial for developing the blubber layer essential for insulation and energy reserves in the cold ocean. One of the most remarkable adaptations in this process is the specialized mechanism for milk delivery. Unlike human babies or most land mammals that actively suck milk, whale calves cannot suck in the same way. Attempting to create suction would inevitably lead to ingesting large quantities of seawater, which would be detrimental to their health. Instead, mother whale possesses highly specialized mammary gland located within the mammary slits and her underside that actively squirt milk directly into the calf's mouth. This powerful ejection mechanism ensures that the milk is delivered quickly and efficiently, minimizing contact with seawater and preventing dilution. The calf simply positions itself and mother initiates the milk release. The milk itself is profoundly different from the milk we are familiar with from terrestrial mammals. Whale milk is extraordinarily thick and rich, often described as having a consistency akin to the toothpaste or cottage cheese. This remarkable viscosity is crucial because it prevents the milk from dissolving or dispensing rapidly in the standing water. Its high density allows it to maintain its integrity as it enters the calf's mouth, ensuring that the calf consumes the maximum amount of nutrients without significant loss to the ocean. This unique composition is a direct evolutionary response to the aquatic feeding environment. Another fascinating feature contributing to this efficient underwater nursing is the specialized anatomy of the calf's mouth. Baby whales have tongues that are uniquely adapted to form a tight seal around the mother's nipple area. Their throat structure are also designed to facilitate the rapid ingestion of milk while simultaneously preventing seawater from entering their respiratory system. This combination of mother's secreting mechanism and the calf's specialized oral anatomy create a highly effective watertight feeding system which allows the calf to feed safely and efficiently underwater even during brief nursing sessions. Feeding usually takes place just below the surface, providing a strategic advantage. This proximity allows the calves to quickly come up for air if needed, as whale calves, like all mammals, must surface frequently to breathe, relying on lungs rather than gills. The mother whale is incredibly attentive and carefully coordinate her movements to support the calf during these feeding sessions. She often slows down, position her body to make her mammary slits easily accessible, and may even roll slightly to assist the calf. This cooperative behavior is vital for calf safety and successful feeding, especially in an environment where predators might be present. The nutritional value of whale milk is truly extraordinary, reflecting the immense energy demand of rapid growth in a cold environment. It contains an exceptionally high percentage of fat, sometimes ranging from 30% to an astonishing 50% or even higher, depending on the species. This rich composition is packed with calories, enabling the calves to grow at an incredible rate and, crucially, to develop a thick layer of blubber. This blubber is not merely for insulation in the fresh ocean water, it also serves as a vital energy resource, sustaining the calves during periods when feeding might be less frequent or during long migrations. The rapid accumulation of blubber is a key to survival. Different species of whale exhibit slight variation in their feeding behaviors and milk composition, tailored to their specific life histories and ecological niches. For example, baleen whales such as blue whale, the largest animal on earth, produce enormous quantities of milk to support their calves, which grow at an astonishing rate. A blue whale calf can gain up to 90 kilograms per day, fueled entirely by its mother's milk, making it one of the most or the fastest growth rate in the animal kingdom. In contrast, toothed whale like sperm whale may nurse their young for much longer periods, sometimes for several years, even after the calf begins to supplement its diet with solid food. This extended nursing period can be linked to the complex social structures and prolonged learning phases required for hunting in deep sea environment. The duration of nursing varies significantly among species, ranging from few months to several years. Some smaller whale calves are weaned within 6 months, becoming independent relatively quickly. Other particularly larger species or those with complex social learning may continue nursing for over a year, sometimes even 2 or 3. During this extended period, the calf undergoes immense physiological development, transforming from a vulnerable newborn into a robust juvenile. The mother's investment in nursing is immense, requiring significant energy reserves and often leading to the period of fasting or reduced feeding for herself. Beyond providing sustenance, the mothers will play a multifaceted and crucial role in the calf's early life. She is its primary protector, shielding it from predators such as sharks and orcas, often positioning herself between the calf and danger. She guides it to the surface for breathing, teaching it the rhythm of surfacing or diving. Furthermore, she imparts essential survival skills leading to the complex migration routes, teaching it how to forage and introducing it to the social dynamics of the port. However, this delicate and intricate process of whale nursing is increasingly threatened by a range of environmental changes. Ocean pollution, from plastic debris to chemical contaminants, can directly impact the health of both mother and the calf, potentially affecting the milk quality and mother's ability to produce sufficient milk. Noise disturbances from commercial shipping, seismic surveys, and military sonar can disrupt whale communication, interfere with feeding pattern, and cause stress, making it harder for calves to get the nutrition they need. Climate change, leading to the change in ocean temperature and current, can alter the distribution and abundance of prey species, indirectly impacting the mother's ability to sustain herself and her nursing calf. Human activities beyond pollution and noise also pose direct risk. Collisions with large ships are a significant causes of mortality for whales, particularly slow-moving mothers and their calves. Entanglement in the discarded or active fishing gear is an other pervasive danger, leading to the injury, starvation, and death. Protecting marine environment and implementing strict regulations on shipping and fishing are essential to ensure that these incredible feeding behavior can continue undisturbed, which allow future generations of whale to thrive. From a scientific perspective, studying how whale calves feed underwater provide invaluable insights into the evolutionary biology and physiological adaptation. It demonstrates how mammals, despite their terrestrial origins, have evolved highly specialized features to conquer and thrive in extreme aquatic environments. These adaptations highlight the incredible diversity of life on Earth and profound power of natural selection to shape organisms to their surroundings. Researchers use advanced techniques including underwater cameras, acoustic monitoring, and even drone technology to observe and understand these elusive behaviors without disturbing the animals. In addition, unique composition of the whale's milk has attracted significant scientific interest. Researchers study its high fat and protein contents as well as its specific fatty acid profile to understand how such nutrient dense diet supports rapid growth and efficient energy storage. This knowledge can have broader applications in fields such as human nutrition, veterinary science, and even development of specialized dietary supplements. The biochemical analysis of whale milk continues to reveal secrets about the metabolic efficiency and adaptation. The story of how baby whale drink milk underwater is not just a biological marvel. It is also a profound narrative about beauty, complexity, and resilience of nature. In conclusion, baby whales drink milk underwater through a highly specialized and perfectly evolved system. The mothers actively secrete thick, nutrient-rich milk directly into the calf's mouth, bypassing the need for suction and preventing water intake. This process, coupled with calf's unique oral anatomy and milk's dense composition, ensure efficient feeding and supporting the astonishing rapid growth and blubber development essential for survival. It is a perfect example of how life adapts to and innovates to thrive in every corner of our planet, showcasing the boundless ingenuity of evolution. So, next time you gaze upon vast expanse of ocean or even just ponder the wonders of natural world, remember that beneath those waves, a baby whale might be feeding in one of the most extraordinary and ingeniously adapted ways imaginable, a silent testament to life enduring power. For more videos related to animals and animal facts, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel ZooSphere.